Again, y'all, hope you're ready for it because it is going to be hot. We have heat alerts in place today. All of the areas that are in orange right now are under a heat advisory that goes into effect at 11 a.m. And then everywhere in the pink, that excessive heat warning. Those both go into effect at 11 and are set to expire at 8 p.m. With this, what we're worried about is our heat index values. That's our feel-like temperature. So in the orange, that's where it's going to feel anywhere between 106 and then 110 degrees. And then in the pink, 110 all the way up to 115. So it's going to be hot. But those are our heat index values. Our actual high temperatures, our air temperatures, also in the triple digits though, still very warm. So as of yesterday afternoon, we've officially entered the second longest streak of triple digit days that we've ever had. And that's still ongoing. So far we've had 16 straight days at or above 100, and then we'll add a 17th today. I don't think we'll ever reach that first mark, that #1 spot, but hey, you never know. All right, let's look at our CBS 19 radar. We have a couple of pop-up showers that are out to our west, a little bit toward Dallas, and then a couple big storms up toward Oklahoma. And in Tyler, looks like we have some clouds, but those storms look like they'll be diverted up to our north because we have strong winds coming up that are just going to push them out of the way. We're looking at winds anywhere from 10 miles per hour all the way up to 30 miles per hour today. Again, that's out of the south, so it's going to bring up muggy air from the Gulf and really make our temperatures feel muggy and hot. And that's sticking with us through pretty much all of the day. Look at those reds and yellows. Those are just really high wind gusts. Yesterday, we had some storms. Mostly the rain was dropped up toward the Texarkana area, toward Arklatex. We didn't really get much down here in terms of deeper East Texas. Gilmer and Mount Pleasant maybe picked up a trace, but here to the south we are dry, which is where we need the rain the most. Everywhere in the yellow we're abnormally dry. In the tan we're seeing that first level of drought, and then in that dark brown, severe drought. So we are in desperate need of some rain. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we'll be getting any. We'll just see some clouds here for the remainder of the day. It looks like tomorrow we'll get a couple small pop-ups that'll try to make a run at us here in East Texas. They'll make it to Sulphur Springs, maybe Mount Pleasant. Then they'll die out and we will just see clouds for the rest of the day. And we'll stay dry pretty much for a while after that because we have this area of high pressure. Right now, it's out to the west, but it's going to scoot over to us here in East Texas. It's going to stop at around Thursday and really kick up those temperatures. And then you see this heat dome. It's just going to expand from there and make it even hotter for the weekend. And we're expecting even hotter temperatures later this week. Check it out. Looking into next week, we have well above average temperatures everywhere in this dark red area, and we're going to be running hot pretty much across the south, all through most of Texas, Louisiana, out to Florida even. We'll be running above average next week. So doesn't look like we're getting much relief because we'll be topping out in the triple digits again today. And then we'll be going down to the 80s for most of us tonight. And then we are back in the triple digits tomorrow. So 103 and then up to 105 on Thursday. It's going to be one of the hottest days this week. And then we are just sticking with 105 on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then Monday, it looks like we got a slight little bit of relief, and then Tuesday, it's gonna be our best bet of showers with about a 20%